Lomography Redscale 100 is a color negative film that was first produced in the year 2012 and is still available today. This analog film type can be also found in the Nik Collection by DxO in Color Efex Pro. Lomography Redscale 100 ISO film has a creative look since the color tends towards a strong red, yellow, and orange cast. It can be used to stylize the look of almost any type of photo. You can find this new film type under the Color Efex Pro filter library by selecting Film Effects, Modern, Branded. On the right panel, click on the drop-down menu and select Lomography Redscale 100. As you scroll through the film types, you will see the image instantly updates to realistically simulate color sensitivity, contrast, and grain for each of the different film types. You can make your own custom adjustments by moving any of the sliders below. To compare your original image with the updated version, simply click on one of the three options located in the top left next to the filter library panel. Split Preview. Drag the red line left or right to reveal before and after. Side-by-side preview. By default, the two images are side-by-side with the before image on the left and the after image on the right. You can click on the twirler to display the before image on the top and the after image on the bottom. Choose a Compare button or press the letter P on your keyboard to preview. You can also click on the Zoom button to reveal the navigator to move to view and compare different areas of your image. Lomography Redscale 100 Film Effect offers creative results by adding a red scale effect to your images.